When it comes to industrial painting, the quality and longevity of any paint job heavily depends on how well the surface is prepared beforehand. Proper surface preparation ensures that coatings adhere correctly, providing robust protection and a visually appealing finish that stands the test of time. What is surface preparation? Surface preparation refers to the cleaning and treatment of surfaces before applying paint or coatings. In industrial painting, this step is important in order to achieve durable and high-quality results. In this video, we will talk about some types of surface preparation for industrial painting. First is abrasive blast cleaning, often referred to as sandblasting, and it's a widely used method for surface preparation. Second is chemical cleaning. This involves using chemical agents to remove contaminants from surfaces. Lastly is mechanical surface preparation that uses tools like grinders, sanders, and needle guns to clean and rough surfaces. With the help of this video, you now understand that effective surface preparation is the cornerstone of all successful industrial painting projects. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button for more video notifications. For more questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at z-supplies.com or contact us on sales@z-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria.